Good afternoon. I'm Mike Neundorfer with Advanced RV, and I'm here at Advanced RV headquarters facility in near Cleveland, Ohio. And
I'm Marcia Neundorfer, Mike's wife.
And Marcia and I together, along with others here at Advanced RV, are always looking for things that make RV travel easier. These are some of the things that Marcia and I have been testing, and I'll tell you a little bit about how we came about them, how we became aware of them, and then we'll talk about our use of them. These are fine, is that crystal? I don't know if it's crystal, but
close to it.
It's close to it. It's very nice glass. It cleans well. The company is Silwy, and they put a magnet in the bottom. When you put them on the table or in the cupboard, the glass will stay where it's supposed to stay, and it doesn't rattle against other glasses. So
boaters love these things because they're more in motion and maybe drinking more than RVers. I don't know.
Right. This is maybe a whiskey glass, and if you really get sideways, this thing will still stay on here. We don't tend to get that sideways, but it's a classy way. Marcia does.
I generally like a real glass. I mean, a glass of wine in this, no thanks, but that's nice.
So thank you. If I would have said what Marcia likes, I'd be eaten out of the dog days. So Marcia could say what she likes.
And you might think they'd take up a lot of room in the cabinets, but I find by the time you put a glass in there and wrap it in something so that it doesn't rattle, this takes actually the same or maybe even less space.
Yeah, less space, and it's easier because you just put it in the cupboard.
In August of this year, we had a wedding in the Thousand Islands, upper New York state, and we took Baja, now called Daisy by the new owners, and we enjoyed this storage system here for glasses. So these are magnetic. This is a magnetic pad that we cut to fit there perfectly, and these glasses fit in here perfectly. You can actually nest them even closer, but they stay there. They're really, I mean, a little, you have to actually pull to get them up. So on trips in the past, we wouldn't bring glassware because of fear of breakage. They had to be wrapped so carefully, so we were using more and more plastic or throwaway things. And so this is a nice alternative.
This group of things is about organizing to eliminate rattles. And
rattles drive us both crazy. Mike is always saying to me, figure out what's rattling back there. So and it's often dishes.
So it's a bad deal about rattles with us because in order to find the rattles, you have to get up on a rough road. And so I say, if I'm driving, hey, Marcia, can you get up and find that rattle? She's getting up and...
Wait till I'm going over some railroad tracks. But this obviously holds plates, different size plates. In Cruisemobile, on our latest trip to Indiana, this was cut to fit in a drawer, and this held the Breville hot water heater, and we had another set that held right next to it the Bullet blender, and so that made that very secure in the drawer, no rattles. And then this we used for cups. Again, cut and measure to the exact dimensions of a drawer. Very handy. The main thing that these things do for us is they stop rattles and they improve the organization. Instead of stuffing things to make them not rattle and making everything not look very neat, I like this because it's so neat, everything is visible and easy to get in and out. These can go in drawers and divide things. I see them used best in the utensil drawer for dividing up different things. This is all adjustable for whatever space you have.
So it adjusts, you can adjust where the position, and then when you get it adjusted to the full width of the drawer, you can break off the section.
Break it off. So in Cruisemobile, we use these for separating the silverware, a spatula, a lighter, a big spoon, you know, those odd-shaped things that don't fit in. And this was totally adaptable to all those items. Again, they stop rattles and keep things very neat and organized.
These are silicone cups and bowls, and There's a dog dish over there. We need to keep that separate. It glows in the dark. Marcia and I haven't tried that yet, but if I keep doing what I'm doing, I'm going to be eating out of that thing. The last trip we took, we tried these out. They're an ARV logo, but the cool thing about them is that they'll go in a microwave. They keep hot stuff hot, cold stuff cold. You don't have to worry about them breaking.
They actually have a good feel. It's a good grip.
Does have a nice feel. We put our iced tea and stuff in the front cup holders with this. The other thing we really like, and Marcia and I have stopped telling people, we order all our drinks without straws now, but this is a silicone straw, and it goes through a sealed hole in the top of the lid, so it's a reusable, cleanable straw. And you can also drink out of this, and it'll seal off and open up as you drink. This is either a dog. Here,
I thought it was a dog bowl, but I guess you'd eat cereal or soup out of it.
This is for a little dog, and this is for a big dog.
In our latest trip to Indiana to test our shocks, we used these. Okay, so it's quite an alternative or quite a contrast to the fine glassware, but I really liked the feel of them. It's a heavy silicone, keeps things hot or cold, doesn't spill, easy to store because you can just throw them in. Don't have to, again, wrap and stuff. They were very handy.
So anyway, these are some things that Marcia and I have tested. We're having fun figuring these things out, and mostly we're having fun traveling. So thanks for listening.